Welcome back to the AutoMox Hands-on IT podcast. As always, I'm your host, Landon Miles, and today's episode explores a central theme in effective endpoint management, making smarter decisions by using your data wisely. Whether you manage hundreds or thousands of endpoints across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, servers, workstations, laptops, there's valuable insight hiding in the data you collect. We'll be talking about this the rest of the month on the Autonomous IT podcast, so be sure and subscribe to get new episodes every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so we're going to look at 3 tactical tips to reduce noise, improve reporting, and proactively manage your environment. Number 1, make your notifications work for you. Cut alert fatigue down to size. IT and security teams deal with a relentless flood of alerts. Many of them can be irrelevant sometimes. This overload leads to alert fatigue, where even critical warnings get overlooked. Alert pops up every 5 minutes. You're not going to look at it. Nearly every security professional agrees that too many alerts can paralyze a team. That's why you need to reduce noise and make each alert meaningful. Start by adjusting alert thresholds to reflect what's actually important in your environment. If CPU spikes are normal during scans, don't get paged every time it happens. Set realistic parameters so that alerts trigger when action is truly required. Eliminate duplicates and false positives by adjusting roles and integrating context into those notifications. AutoMox console. If you're listening to this, you most likely use AutoMox. The AutoMox console helps you control the chaos. Configure notifications to prioritize what really matters, such as critical patch failures or devices that have gone silent. By customizing alerts and consolidating endpoint tools, you reduce redundant alerts and regain control. The goal is to see what needs attention without drawing in lots of noise. Number 2, optimize reporting. If it's hard to use, you're not going to use it. Reduce reporting friction. Many teams delay reporting simply because the process is too complex. Whether the reports are hard to generate or interpret, they go unused. Good reporting should tell a clear story, highlight important trends, and support decision making. Make it as easy to get to and automate your reports as you can. Put insights front and center. Use intuitive dashboards and saved queries. You can do this in the AutoMox console or whatever tool you use to surface what matters the most. Need a list of servers missing critical patches or devices missing critical patches? Save that view. Need to track SLA compliance? Build a dashboard or report. And when the data is easy to access, it becomes part of your daily routine, not a burden. Your team doesn't need the same metrics your executives do. I always make the joke that AutoMox can give you pie charts or real data. Sometimes you just want to send those little pie charts to your executive team. That's great for them. If you're trying to troubleshoot, that's when you need to be able to get to your data and analyze what really matters. So build reports that match your stakeholders, high-level compliance, metrics for leadership, detailed patch failures for your technical teams. Don't mix those two up, or neither one of them can do what they need to do. The easier the reports are to understand and act on, the more they'll be used. Number 3, leverage data to predict and prevent issues. Study your past to manage your future. Endpoint data isn't just historical, it's also predictive. Use patch logs and task history to identify failure patterns, user disruption trends, or recurring compliance issues. Maybe your patch windows need adjustment or certain devices routinely fall out of policy. The data will show you. Use your data to refine patching strategies. If reboots succeed more often midweek, adjust your schedule. If a particular app generates excessive alerts, automate remediation. There's a lot of tools out there that help you get this historical data, including AutoMox, to support data-driven decisions. You're going to be shifting from reactive to proactive. Most organizations haven't fully automated their endpoint management, and many lack full visibility into their fleets. By asking smarter questions, why is patch compliance dropping? What's causing automation failures? You can begin to address root causes. Using the data to flag outlier systems, aging devices, and overlooked tasks, build automation where it's missing. Pull that data in, get a clean picture of your environment, and life will be much easier. So this week, take a closer look at your own endpoint data, choose one area, notifications or reporting or trend analysis, and apply a single improvement. tune those noisy alerts, or build a useful saved view. Examine last quarter's patch trends and what went wrong, what went well. Small steps build better systems. Using your data intelligently helps you eliminate busy work, anticipate problems, and run a more secure, efficient operation. Use the data, though. It's one of your most important and powerful tools. So until next time, I'm Landon Miles. This is Hands on IT, and happy fixing.